Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to fix iPhone stuck and won't restore in recovery mode. Hello guys and welcome back to another tutorial video. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So let's begin. So the first thing you can do is force restart your iPhone. To force restart your iPhone, first press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, and press and hold the side button, and when the Apple logo appears, you can release the side button. After doing that, your iPhone will force restart, and with that, it should not be in recovery mode anymore. Now, if doing that does not fix your problem, you might need to use your iTunes or repair using a software. Now, you can repair it using a software called TenorShare, or many more other softwares are available. You will need a PC for that. So get that done. And if even that does not fix your problem, it might be due to a hardware related issue. So you might want to get it to the repair shop as quickly as you can. So yeah, that is how you fix the problem, guys, and that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.